Well, we are leaving our Boondockers Welcome in Pahrump. Awesome people. We just love Melinda and Jim. Great hosts.
Turn right on West Simpkins Road, then take the first right.
We had to kind of cut our visit short here this time. So we are boogieing on down to Boulder Beach. We got the part for the slide. What we hope is the slide issue.
That's our issue.
Yeah.
In case we didn't say, because I don't think we have yet.
Oh, maybe not. Well, I think we have. Anyway, we have a slide issue. So hopefully we're going to get it fixed soon.
We have a slide motor issue.
Yeah, we do.
There's a big difference. Wait, we had a slide issue 5 years ago today.
Oh, jeez.
We won't get into that right now.
We do not want that issue again. Anybody that's been around with us since 2017, we had a major slide issue back then.
Yeah.
And luckily for Tom, he got a reminder of it.
Yeah, 5 years ago today.
Turn right on North Leslie Street.
That was not a good time.
Oh my God.
All right, so we have 2.5 hour drive or so. We'll see how it goes. I love this mountain range. It's so cool with all the different layers and different colors. We made it.
Made it to Boulder Beach Campground, Lake Mead National Recreation Area.
Yes.
That's pretty good for me.
So he gets to use his Golden Age pass.
My old man pass. Just call it what it is.
The old man pass.
I knew it. There it is.
Yep, he uses that and we get a 50% discount on a camping.
So this
free
is
entry into the park and then
dry camping.
Yes, in this section where we are.
This campground is 100% dry. There is a dump station and there is water spigots scattered throughout this RV campground, but each site is dry.
Yeah, and it's not just RVs, it's tents, whatever you want to park in here.
It's all here.
However you want to camp or not camp.
There we go with the C word again.
Yeah. So we are here for about a week.
Or so.
And it's pretty nice. We like it.
It actually is.
We like it.
We can see Lake Mead off in the distance through the trees. And you know what? What is that?
It's my phone.
Oh. Why don't you go ahead and give us, what does it say? How does it go on travel day?
Okay, so this is the music.
This is,
Happy travel day, happy travel day. It's time to get up.
oh my God, enough. Okay, so we're here.
We're here.
We're here at beautiful Boulder Beach Campground.
Yeah, we like this site actually. It's pretty nice.
Time to chill.
I like it. Yes. Yes.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.